Welcome to another episode of Agentic AI, where we continue to explore the rapidly evolving frontier of AI, one that's not just about building smart systems, but operating them with responsibility, clarity, and control. As enterprises scale AI beyond experimentation into real world deployment, we're seeing something critical unfold. Intelligent systems are no longer just supporting human decisions, they're beginning to make them. AI agents today can write code, manage infrastructure, generate content, and interact directly with customers. And as their autonomy increases, so does the complexity of ensuring they behave as intended. It's no longer just a question of performance, it's about accountability. Enter responsible ops. Think of it not as a tool or a team, but as a strategic mindset and operational discipline for the age of intelligent autonomy. Responsible ops is how digital leaders ensure AI systems, whether models, agents, or full scale workflows, operate in alignment with enterprise values, evolving regulations, environmental commitments, and public trust. Let's take a step back and think about the world we're walking into. As a CIO or a digital leader, you're no longer just overseeing IT systems. You're orchestrating a web of intelligent agents capable of self learning, self correction, and independent action. And when these agents behave unexpectedly or worse, invisibly, the reputational, financial, and ethical risks compound fast. Without the right guardrails, organizations risk fractured systems, spiraling compute costs, audit failures, and a growing divide between AI promises and enterprise outcomes. So, what does responsible ops look like in practice? It starts with visibility, not just system uptime or latency metrics, but real time observability into how AI agents make decisions, what data they access, and where drift may be occurring. It includes version behavior logs, explainability baked into every interaction, and a shadow mode for testing new AI behaviors before they go fully autonomous. It requires embedding policies, ethical, regulatory, environmental, into AI workflows as machine readable rules. That means continuous fairness and bias checks, automated audit trails, and stress testing for edge cases before real world deployment. Think of aligning AI behaviors with frameworks like the EU AI Act, NIST guidelines, or ISO sustainability metrics, not as compliance hurdles but as design principles. Then there's cost and efficiency. As AI usage explodes, so do cloud bills and environmental impacts. Responsible ops ensures that every agent's productivity is tied to business value and resource consumption. Redundant agents are retired, orchestration layers become cost aware and carbon aware. Human AI collaboration metrics help teams evolve, not resist. And speaking of sustainability, yes, it's core to responsible ops. Carbon and water footprints need to be measured across the AI lifecycle. Lightweight models are prioritized for routine tasks. Compute is routed through cleaner energy sources. Environmental impact becomes just as visible as performance. Responsible ops ensures humans and AI work in sync. That means humans stay in the loop for high risk decisions. Coordination across agents is managed to avoid conflicting behaviors. Transparency and opt outs are provided for users. External AI and data sources are validated for alignment. And internally, a culture is built around shared ownership of AI outcomes. It also means that as systems evolve, so must the enterprise. Governance policies are version controlled, incident feedback loops trigger updates, training evolves with the tech. Responsible ops is not a set it and forget it framework, it's a living part of digital transformation. And finally, tooling. You can't manage what you can't measure. Dashboards must monitor, not just model performance, but trust, emissions, and ethical integrity. Auto remediation kicks in when agents drift. Safe experimentation happens in sandboxed environments. And automation works not just to scale AI, but to scale it safely. So, where does this leave us? Responsible ops isn't about slowing AI down, it's about scaling with clarity. It's about ensuring that as AI systems grow more intelligent and autonomous, they also become more accountable, transparent, and aligned with what we as enterprises and as societies truly value. In this new era of autonomy, the competitive edge won't just come from building smarter models, it will come from managing them responsibly. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. Stay with us as we continue exploring the tools, principles, and cultural shifts required to make agentic AI both powerful and principled.